So we're here today in the heart of Bearsted, Spot Lane. We've got this heavily extended, really spectacular property, 5-bed detached, with a few surprises along the way. Really can't wait to show you this one. Let's go and take a look inside. So immediately when you step foot through the front door, you're greeted with a downstairs cloakroom and a reception room at the front, currently being used as a living area, could also be used as a dining room. You then step foot through the stunning kitchen. Now, the kitchen has plenty of worktop space, ideal for those who like to prepare a bit of home cooking. Various integrated appliances, including a wine cooler. Nice high voltage ceiling as well with Velux, allowing plenty of light into the room as well. On the side, the current owners have actually extended, creating a utility area and a single garage at the front for all your parking needs. There's just really so much that we want to show you, so I'm going to pass you over to Aaron, who's going to tell you a little bit more.
So as you come upstairs, you've got two really good sized double bedrooms to your left hand side, and then through this way to your family bathroom. Again, two more double bedrooms, in which this one here to my right is fitted with an ensuite that the owner put in. And finally to the main bedroom. And finally the ensuite, which has got a lot of natural light. You've got walk-in shower and a corner bath, and that's the upstairs. So Sam will show you downstairs again. We've got a couple of surprises for you.
Thank you, Aaron. So this space here could be used as anything: kids' play area, study, home office. We then step foot through where this is a reception room, log burner, really good use of the space here. Great space to relax or even entertain. The current owners have actually put an archway here as well, so they're using a back room here as the home office study. And now I'm about to show you something that I'm sure is going to get the royal approval. Even more to see, you've got a double garage at the front there, and you've also got a downstairs shower room as well. Oh, hi Aaron. So you then step foot out to this grand garden. There's no other words for it really. Got so much going on. A bar, for example. Thanks, Aaron. You've got side access around there, swimming pool, place for children to kick a ball around, get a bit of exercise. A good place to relax in the evenings and enjoy the summer months. What more could you want? So if you want to find out a little bit more about this absolute cracker of a property, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on the details below. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.